Hi, I'm Dr. James Markham with Health Across America. This week, the American Society of Clinical Oncology is meeting in Chicago, and they're releasing a lot of studies and articles out there. And one of the ones I wanted to talk about is this one that just released, this study that shows 75%, 3 out of 4 of cancer patients received overly aggressive treatment. Well, if you think about cancer, these are cells that are mutated, that are growing freely. We see this in breast cancer, colon cancer, skin cancer, all sorts of different types of cancers. The numbers keep going up each year. And one of the treatments we have is chemotherapy. We also can resect the cancers. Sometimes we can radiate them. But this article suggests that 3 out of 4 patients received overly aggressive treatment. We're not curing the cancer, and we're making what time they do have more difficult. Well, in this new study, and I'm quoting from this article, it looked at health claims involving 28,000 cancer patients that died between 2007 and 2014. And it says in this article that their end-of-life treatment, including hospitalizations, chemotherapy, and invasive therapy, many of these, they didn't get better. Their quality of life was poor. They were scared at the end of death. They didn't have time to make peace with their families. Dr. Otis Brawley says, and I quote, "There are hundreds, if not thousands, who undergo too much therapy and too much suffering. Sometimes less is more." And if you think about cancer, if the chances of curing it are not very good, then we also have to think of ways that we can make a life the highest quality possible, to give them meaningful time. And this study suggests that 3 or 4 right now suffer. But in addition to that, let's spend our time being overly aggressive at preventing cancer. Well, how can we prevent cancer? Well, how can we get people to exercise more, to quit smoking, or to eat a healthier diet? These things that are very important, we also need to focus on at a higher level now more than ever. So we don't continue to see these statistics. 75% of cancer patients get overly aggressive treatment. Also, if you have a loved one, let them know. Let them ask questions. Is this treatment going to make my life better? Is it going to prolong life? These are all important questions. If you have a question, go to my website, heartwiseministries.org.